Okay, see the electromagnetic spectrum. So as we know that there is many types of electromagnetic radiations, and we know that all types of electromagnetic radiations moves with the same speed. They are all easily moves even in vacuum without any medium. But the all types of electromagnetic radiations are differ in their wavelength and frequency and wave number like properties. So based on that differences, there is a possibility of many types of electromagnetic radiations. So here what is meant by electromagnetic spectrum? If all these different types of electromagnetic radiations, so what are the types of electromagnetic radiations? X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, visible rays, infrared rays, radio waves, microwaves, radio waves, and the cell phone rays. So these type of all radiations. When these all radiations are arranged in an order, when all types of electromagnetic radiations are arranged the arrangement of all type of electromagnetic radiations in the increasing order or in the increasing order of their wavelength are nothing but the arrangement of electromagnetic radiations in the decreasing order of their frequency. Then that type of arrangement, the arrangement of electromagnetic radiations in which they are arranged in the increasing order of their wavelength and the decreasing order of their frequency. So that is called the arrangement, the picturization is called electromagnetic spectrum. Here in this arrangement we must know the order of that electromagnetic radiations. And now we see its diagram. So this is the arrangement of all types of electromagnetic radiations is called electromagnetic spectrum. Here we notice that first cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible rays, that's what is called visible region. It's IR, infrared region, microwaves. These are radio waves, that is FM and AM. FM is here general frequency mode. Generally in normal radio stations we know that the frequency 90.1, 93.1, just like that. They indicate the frequency mode. Next, the long radio waves. Okay, here we see the part of visible region is very small, so the box size is somewhat different when compared to others. It indicates their range. If you compare all these, the visible region is very less when compared to the all other radiations. So here see, in the top line, the values indicates about their frequency. Here their frequency 10 power 24 hertzes. It comes to 22, 18, 16, 14 and comes to 10 power 0 hertzes. Means from left to right, frequency is called nu. That is frequency. Decreased from cosmic rays to long waves, long radio waves. So from here left to right, frequency is decreased, whereas their wavelength, the lambda, minus 10 to minus 16 angstroms, minus 14, minus 10, minus 8, comes into 10 power 8 positive 8. That is increased. Means from left to right, the lambda, that is called wavelength, increases from left to right. So we must know the order of these values, nothing but order of these electromagnetic radiations, which is having low frequency, high frequency, which is having low wavelength and higher wavelength. And the main, in all these radiations, directly we can see with our naked eye. So మనం direct eye తో చూడగలిగే choice only for visible. And the name itself gives that they are visible. We are unable to see the all other radiations with our direct eye. So other can be seen with the help of any microscopes or any other advanced microscope technologies. But direct eye we are able to see only visible region. So visible region it consists of there is a 7 colors. We know that the visible region is a very small region compared to all others, which is having again 7 type of colors. In which violet is having less wavelength, red is a more wavelength. So due to the more wavelength, it is used in the traffic signals for stopping. So it's a violet. If you compare their frequency of violet is higher one, whereas the frequency of red is less. The wavelength of violet is less one, the wavelength of red is highest one. Here the wavelengths are important one. If you see their wavelengths, in terms of 4000 angstroms, $4,300, $4,500, $5,500, then $5,900, then $6,500. The last one nearly 7,500 angstroms. So we must know at least the plus or minus 100 values of this visual wavelengths. We must remember these wavelength values also. But here there is no need to exact remember these values. But here just remember the position of the radiations in this picture. So we must get that which is having higher wavelength and lower wavelength in this. But here not only to remember the higher one, lower one, it is also need to remember the exact value of these wavelengths, which are useful in our advanced level problems. Okay, so this is electromagnetic spectrum.